Welcome to room 715 at the Ibis Hotel at Brisbane International Airport in Queensland in Australia, and it's a smorgasbord for plane spotters. But I'll come back to that. I'm going to do the room review first. So just to explain the situation, I've been travelling 28 hours from the UK via Hong Kong. Storm in the UK, storm flurries, tropical storm in Hong Kong, typhoon type thing. Massive delays. I've made it here. My wife was on a different flight, hers has been cancelled. So I had booked this room for 2 people. She's still on her way with breakfast, and she won't make it here for breakfast. But the wonderful receptionist, as we've arrived, Vera, has organised a pack-up for her. So that's wonderful. So at least I can still get 2 breakfasts. Now, what I've paid for this, I can't remember. I'm sorry, I've been travelling so long, I just want to go to bed. I'll put the price on the screen here now. So what I'm just going to do now is give you the initial room review, and then tomorrow I'll film the outside of the hotel, communal areas, breakfast, lift, etc. We'll take it from there. I'll stitch it all together and make a lovely film. Right, so back to the door where I came in. So next to that door is a sliding door. Sliding doors, interesting. And we've got a full-length mirror just there for checking yourself out. And the TV. Welcome, Mr. Stuart Moss. All the flickering that you can see, incidentally, is down to my camera, not the lights. And then just here we've got the bedside table and double bed. So you get a bedside table on one side only, so the plug sockets are on this side of the bed, and there is more plug socketage over here, and beneath them is a kettle, tea and coffee making facilities, hot chocolate, clock radio, telephone, and down here is a fridge. There you go, it's got some milk in, that's nice. We've got a drawer and a single wardrobe here with a safe, and above that, whatever that is, don't go in that cupboard. So yeah, this cupboard here is the one that you want. It's got the iron and ironing board as well, which I will never use. Going down here, we've got the plastic moulded chair, luggage storage area. And it's a really spacious room. It's a modern hotel. It feels quite new, actually. It feels brand new, to be honest. I'm really impressed with it. But what I'm going to do before I go any further is just turn the lights off, just so you can appreciate how good this is for plane spotters. Look at that. It's brilliant. Anyway, right. Let's have a look in here, behind the sliding door, into what is the bathroom. And with the magic of television, I've took my top off. How did that happen, eh? I've got a t-shirt on now, magic, eh? Right, so we've got the toilet just there. Oh, this is the bathroom, I should begin with. Got the toilet just there, Buck Rogers style for the 21st century. Folded toilet roll, nice and neat. Bin, draining floor because it's a wet room style shower, and above that a sink with a small area next to it and some rock your body. I love the Australian plug sockets, they're so different. So you've got 2 plug sockets just there next to the sink, and then this is the shower area just here, and this is a wonderful accessible shower, and I really like it. Altogether, I really like the room, and then once again to reiterate that the flickering is not down to the bulbs. You can't see the flickering, it is the camera that doesn't like the refresh rate. Right, I need to get changed, get showered and get to bed. I am absolutely shattered. I'll catch up with you tomorrow. And the view from the other window. It turns out it's good for train spotters as well as plane spotters. ticket. There were 3 lifts there. Otis. 15 people. Masses of room in here. I think you would get 15 people in actually. Definitely room for wheelchair, motorised wheelchair, pushchair, etc. Yeah, good amount of space. You need to use your key card if you're going up. The film that you've just watched is a Moss Travel Media production, and you can find more like them by going to www.mosstravel.tv. Thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel and watching my film. It's hugely appreciated. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by going to youtube.com/Stuart Moss. Hit the red subscribe button. When you've done that, a little bell will appear. If you hit the bell, then you'll also get notifications about any future travel films which I upload. If you like my travel films, then you might also like my second channel, which is about home and garden. Please have a look for that channel. You'll find it at www.mosshomeandgarden.co.uk, and if you like what you see, please give that a subscribe also. If you'd like to connect with me as Moss Travel Media on other social media, then you'll find me on Facebook at facebook.com/Moss Travel. That's the page. And if you'd like to connect with the profile, then the profile is Moss Travelog. If you'd like to connect with me on Instagram to see my travel photography, where I'm up to, what stories I'm telling, then go to instagram.com/Stu Moss or do a search for user Stu Moss. If you'd like to connect on Twitter, I'm at Moss Travel TV. On Pinterest, I'm Moss Travel Media, which is pinterest.co.uk/Moss Travel TV. On Tumblr, I'm stuartmoss.tumblr.com, or just do a search for Moss Travel Tumblr. On WordPress, I'm wordpress.com/view/Moss Travel TV.wordpress.com, or do a search for Moss Travel Media on WordPress. And on vContactor, you can find me by going to vk.com/Moss Travel Media, or doing a search for Stuart Moss. If you'd like to contact me about film usage or any other issue, please just email me on mosstraveltv@gmail.com. And once again, thank you for watching and for your support. I really, really do appreciate it. I wish you all the best of days, happy travels and bon voyage.